Hello and welcome to Milltown Threads, a presentation by the Mill Museum and the Last Green Valley. Today, one page from a moving picture book from 1899 by Lothar Meggendorfer. Surprise! Surprise! Henry rides just once a week, on Sunday, as you see. His boots so black, his horse so meek, no man more skilled than he. His nose is in the air held high, as proudly he rides past. He scarcely sees the passers-by. He shouldn't trot so fast. He's feeling high and mighty now. He thinks he knows it all. But pull the tag and you'll see how pride goes before a fall. The end.